Hello to all. You surely saw all the teasing I did over the last month on social media. Now comes the moment to reveal the topic and to give you some insights on what I've been preparing. This video is all about that. Here it is. As you can see, it still is in the box, and you can also see the brand. This brand is very close to my heart because it's a brand where the designer is Gerhard Vroomen. Gerhard Vroomen is the founder of OpenCycle. Gerhard Vroomen is one of the most established designers in the road bike industry. He has been the one introducing the importance of aero on frames, and for that reason that bike is very specific. For those who don't know, Gerhard Vroomen is not only owning Open, the cycle company, not only supporting Cervelo, he's also the guy behind the design of some of the 3T bikes that I also really love. So he's a guy that is making the bike industry over the last 20 years, and what is in that box is his legacy. They would come with one wheel, reserve wheels, like on my Santa Cruz mountain bikes, wide aero wheels, really wide aero spokes. Don't know where to, it's so light. It's and the sparkling blue color is, and here in the sun you can see the sparkling blue. Same super deep wheel at the back. Di2. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a slight sparkling in the blue paint. I don't know if it can be seen on video because it's hard to make justice to such a paint scheme. The saddle. Look at that masterpiece. Superbike is a road bike. These are usually super expensive bikes. They are light, they're also aero. Instead of cruising at 30 with those, you rather cruise at 35 when you climb the mountains. The super lightweight makes it a lot easier. They're very explosive in accelerations. That is what I have been looking for a while. The weight out of the box of that beast, 7.5 kilos without pedals, 200 grams less than I thought. There you have the power meter, one side, other side, so double-sided power meter, full Di2 Ultegra, reserve turbulent carbon wheels, handlebar is narrow and aero position. Everything is geared towards speed. Here's the beast. I have quite some work for that machine to be prepared. It's half the weight of an Ultegra. You can get it with this one. Here we are. last part, it's the photo shooting sessions.